What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Zendri.
Hey, your mother boy David.
Okay,
what up, y'all?
Okay. Y'all, so first and foremost, y'all probably wonder what the hell is this over my head. Well, Davey is still getting stuff installed to his car.
Doing a little bit of work to it every day, you already know.
Yeah. He did this right here today, y'all. So hell, I don't know. I just know some speakers.
I gotta wait for the speakers to come in and then they'll be sitting up there.
After a while, it's not gonna be nowhere for me to sit in this damn car. Like, I'm gonna have to drive my car behind him or something because
we getting show ready.
To my show ready, y'all. But I'm hungry, y'all. So we're gonna get me some Chinese food, and then I'm going to a hair appointment. Well, should I say? Cause when I say I'm going to a hair appointment, y'all probably think I'm going to get my hair done. No, I have a hair appointment that. Somebody, okay, whatever, I'm gonna do somebody's hair. That's why I'm keep on saying, okay, y'all, because girl, I'm getting mixed up. This sun ain't playing, baby girl. But y'all, I'm so hungry. I ain't ate nothing. I'm finna eat me some Chinese food. I got some shrimp fried rice. I got some egg rolls, and I got some fried chicken. Oh, I should have brought some hot sauce. Yeah. Hey, make sure you get hot sauce from. They be going to get my food, y'all, cause I always call it.
Hot sauce, do they?
I don't know. No, they have the hot mustard. Ask them for some hot sauce because sometimes people be stingy and be behind the counter. Yeah, that sun shining today. What is going on with this side of my hair? The wind messed it up. But yeah, he said 10 minutes. It's been like 15. So I hope my stuff is piping hot, y'all, because your girl is hungry. David don't eat Chinese food, y'all. I had to stop eating Chinese food.
Meow.
Stop saying that. Dang, you know I gotta eat. But David don't eat. I ordered the shrimp fried rice, the 4 chicken wings, and 2 egg rolls. Make sure you give me a lot of the soy sauce. This man looking at my face. But you guys, I ordered 2 shrimp egg rolls. Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't even talk just now because this man was looking at my face. Oh my God. But yes, you guys, I'm so ready to eat this food. I'm so hungry. So hungry, y'all. Who's all type of Chinese people going through here? I'm trying to see if okay, whatever. I'm about to start talking about people, but I ain't gonna do that because I'm better than that, and I'm trying to stop talking about people. And I hope they got my order right because I don't feel like writing order. I don't want it. Okay. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna show y'all this food. Like this Chinese food, I done had like so many Chinese places. Oh, excuse me, girl. Excuse me. Yeah, I really don't like vlogging in my husband's car. Maybe we need to start driving my car. No, that's not gonna happen because he'll probably try to install some music in there. Oh, I broke my nail. I knew I had broke my nail. And there go David with my food. I have broke my nail like I cracked it.
They had hot sauce.
Oh yes, they got me some hot sauce, y'all. We finna see this food. Hold on, babe.
Y'all make sure when y'all go get some food for your old lady or your wife, make sure she give you the full amount, because they be trying to rip you off.
Yeah.
Food was $13, she gave me $9. Y'all, she robbing me.
Ah, that's how you gotta do, y'all. Girl, keep walking. What you got going? It's my ass cheeks. Okay, girl. Okay. Anyway, y'all. Yes, when your man going to pick up your food, give him less money than what your food is. That way you saving, baby. You getting a discount. Baby, we need to get some drink from that because I'm thirsty.
Wait. I ain't eating no McDonald's.
Oh, I thought you loved McDonald's. All right, y'all. I'm finna get y'all the full rundown on this food. Boo boo. Oh, girl. Oh, this sun. Oh, look at all that melanin, baby. Don't dump my food over trying to catch this light. Look at this car train. I need to put a seatbelt on because I got to be 100% safe, you know. Y'all, the wind is messing up my hair. It feel good outside. It ain't too hot. It ain't. Yeah, it's just right. So, all right. So, I wish we had the mount for the window so I can say, ooh, y'all, look at these egg rolls, baby. Ooh, I gotta bite into this. Ooh, I gotta bite up into this. Look at, ooh! Woo! Woo! This shit is so good. Look, that is so, it's like perfect. Yo, don't put that in my video.
Ain't no music.
And it's baby. That is so hot. Yeah. There ain't no people scared me. Yo. I'm gonna turn this camera off. Let me tell you this food so. I got shrimp rolls. I better keep some shrimp in there. I got 2 of those. Oh, me and Mom should did a mukbang on some Chinese food today. Let me get my hair out of the way, cause but a girl. Okay, I like how they staple the food right here. I love when they staple it. I mean, nothing fun in one steak. The other boy put a peace sign in me or something. Oh my God! Wait, hold on. Their rice look completely different. This is not the right rice. Y'all, this is. Look, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Like, this is not even the right rice. Like, they must be using some new rice. Right there, you see it?
Look the same to me.
No, but I'm finna eat and I'll be back. Y'all, so David didn't even tell me he was coming to Zaxby's, y'all. He went and he got him some Zaxby's. Like, that's okay.
I got the wings and things.
You got the what?
Wings and things.
Wings and things. I didn't even know there was a wings and things. I thought you were just saying that. That's on the menu.
I got this good food. I can't even enjoy it right because I got all this stuff in here and I can't relax.
I'm gonna taste some of Davy's food.
You better eat that chicken you got. Don't eat my chicken. It's mine.
It's alright. It's alright. I'm happy with my Chinese food. Anyway, I'm still eating, y'all. They didn't even give me a fork. So they've got me a fork for Zaxby's. I got water. I'm there's my Davy stuff.
I beg your partner.
Boy, oh, got hiccups. Anyway, we finna eat. We part, and then I'm gonna do some hair. Bye-bye. Alright, y'all. So, oh, dang, babe. So, we done eating our food right here. I don't know. I be having like little mixed feelings, like, with that Chinese food because, I mean, I ain't racist enough. Y'all my nail popped up while I was eating. It's right there. But, I don't know. You know when you be eating your food, you be thinking like, dang. I don't know who made
Y'all, what it was is she seen that Zaxby's I had.
What about? Anyways, I'm gonna eat some of Davy's food.
She decided to steal mine.
I mean, I ate 2 chicken wings.
Now I'm over here hungry while she eat all my food.
You lying. Y'all, it be like
my leg feel numb.
I hate when people be nasty with food. Like,
cramp.
Man, I'm gonna stop eating Chinese food. Maybe I'm gonna stop like eating out to a lot of restaurants, but not right now though. But I'm gonna stop eating out. I don't know, y'all. People be so nasty with their food. They don't be caring. They don't be washing their hands. Don't be doing nothing. Open this, please. Open this.
See if they
but
this way, so I ain't gotta sit over here.
What? Yeah, put it right there. So thanks for your food, baby. Okay, so because y'all know when y'all go in Chinese place and you place an order or whatever, and they chicken wings ain't never plain. Like they already be prepared to just toss in the I don't care. I don't care if that's easy for them or not. No, but I want to see the chicken before you do that. Alright. Every Chinese place do that. They already be breaded and stuff. You never see them preparing what is that? You'll never see them preparing a raw chicken, raw shrimp. You don't even see them preparing the rice. All you know is the rice is pre-cooked. Like, I mean, it be cooked. I get if they boil it, the rice and all that stuff, and then add in like, and then cook it. But that stuff would be cooked. Prepare. All they gotta do is scoop it. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't know. Y'all don't see them ever preparing the food. Be real man. And then when the place be real stank, oh my god. Like it be mopped with a dirty mop or something. I'm about to stop eating. I'm still eating, y'all. Even at Zaxby's, when they bought his food. Dang, David, slow us down some. He think he on the track or something, y'all. Even when David got his food from Zaxby's, they had like some little. I mean, I know we not gonna have everything perfect, but don't have a bucket of trash overpowered right there, you know. Ew. I'm finna start eating all this stuff. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat. I ate 2 chicken wings, the rice, not all the rice, because I know there was a lot of rice. Oh, and then my Chinese rice looked like it was white and mushy or something, y'all. I still ate it, but I don't know. I'm just gonna stop eating all this stuff. Matter of fact, I don't want this food no more. Right, David? Boy, why are you texting and driving me? And you know I don't play that. Well, he got some nerve. But yeah, I just wanted to get y'all a ride along. This is gonna be a, what is it like? A ride along with me video. David! Boy, y'all, who you think he ignoring? Like, he was about to get his water in his face. I put your ass out your own heart, baby. Don't play with me. But y'all, I'm finna be at my hair appointment in like, oh man, don't let this barbecue. You didn't even eat none of the barbecue stuff.
I eat some of this one.
And like, what, a minute? Not even a minute. So I'm gonna vlog when I get in there. This is my cousin's hair. Oh my goodness, Debbie, you gonna knock over the food. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. She's getting like this right here. Y'all, the wind messed up my hair.
Keep talking, I'm about to mess it up.
Oh boy, bye. Dang, David, I almost thought it was you standing up right
I
there.
don't know who that was.
Oh, that's whatchamacallit, them boys. But yeah. So we're here, we're gonna park. Yeah, bye.